Hello and welcome back to iHeat's YouTube channel. Today we're talking about getting your house ready for winter. Whilst we are about halfway through, I still feel that January, February are going to be very, very cold months, probably colder than we've already experienced, so let's get ready for that. Number one is to test your heating. Go around your entire home, check every radiator, check every electric heater, make sure the radiators are hot at the bottom and at the top. Whilst you're there, check your thermostatic radiator valve, your TRV, to make sure it's at the right gauge for how you want your radiator to be. Also check your boiler, make sure the temperature of your boiler is correct, as well as any thermostats you have, make sure they're all correct to your schedules and stuff like that. It's very important that everything's in sync and ready to go. Number two, we recommend to get your boiler serviced. Here at iHeat, we email you about 2 weeks before it is due to get a service. This means that everything's right on track and that there's going to be no expected failures over the winter period. The worst thing in the world could happen is where your boiler isn't serviced and it isn't looked after, and it cuts out during the winter period and you freeze. It's not what you want, and that's why we always check them out and make sure they're serviced. This will not only give you peace of mind that your boiler will work, but also prevents any sort of carbon monoxide leak, which can be very dangerous. Number three is to check windows and doors. During the summer months, you may have had these cracked open slightly to allow fresh air into the home. However, now it will be seeping hot air out of the house, which is therefore making the house cold. Whilst you're there, check all seals on the doors and windows, make sure they're all intact, and if you need replacing, make sure you do. Number four is to insulate pipes. We've done this for our condensate pipe outside. If this gets frozen, your boiler will just stop working. We've done a whole video about this. We'll leave it up there somewhere for you to go check out and watch. It goes around the outside of a pipe and keeps it from being frozen. It also protects you from small animals like mice or rats, which could chew at a pipe, which could cause a leak. Finally, number five is to locate your stopcock. This is commonly under a sink. It looks like a tap or lever, and it is very handy to know where this is in case you have to turn off the water supply for your house. If your ceiling is leaking or there is a burst pipe, this can stop the water and stop any further damage down the line. Well, that's been 5 tips to get your house ready this winter. Please like and subscribe and share to anyone who may need these tips, maybe a new homeowner, and that'd be very appreciated from us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. This has been iHeat.